an amounts of cheese. I gave up sports to slang keys, but blamed it on my knees. Make sure I got.
Hey guys, we are at Hobby Lobby today, and I am currently looking for the craft stuff I need to make my candles over. They got some cute paintings here, but guess what? They're not better than mine. What is today? Today is, now some of these are cute. This, I think that's nice. Something about the ram horns. I like that one too. These are so cute. 40% off for the framed art. Oh, let me look at something else while I'm in here. I wanted to see how much they're, I need something light like this for my plants. I need a different type of flower pot for my plants. But anyway, I came here to make my stuff, to find the stuff for my candles. I need like the wicks or the sticks. One of the two. Outfit of the day. Well, what you got to say? Let's go find it. Yeah, they got some more stuff here. This kind of like the same stuff I've seen here before. This stuff is kind of, it's kind of old, rather. This is better than ordering off of, oh, they got this one right here. This one's $149. And then they have, I'd rather have the wood one, which is this price, but we'll go with the other one. Yeah, this is a good deal. I was saying they $149. Can y'all see that? Anyway, they're $1.49 and I'm getting them. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye. Hey guys, it's a brand new day. I'm out in nature. I just want to show y'all, can y'all see the turtle? Look at that. Just sitting there resting. It has red on the back. So if anybody knows what kind of turtle that is, but he's just sitting in the pond. And then as I keep going, I can show you down here. Let me see. Oh gosh, y'all, it's such a beautiful day. I might come on camera, I'm not sure, but look at these two. Oh my God, look y'all. Look, it's two of them. Hold on, let me go a little closer. Y'all better get outside because it's so pretty. Look at that. Do y'all see them now? Oh my God. Super cute, right? Happiest day, y'all. Oh wow. Look at the water. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Just a quick check-in. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one. See you on another day. Bye. Guys, I'm in the thrift store today because they have $3 for $4 orange tags. And I need to find me two dress shirts, like two black dress shirts for work. So I'm gonna try to do so. They have to be like with collars on. Yeah, with collars on them. So I prefer to have like silk. This one's nice, but it's $5. Oh, it's an orange tag down here. That's kind of cute. It's a sweater though. All right, y'all, I'll come back when I find exactly what I'm looking for. I need three items for 99 cents, and I'll come back and show y'all what they are. I couldn't find anything. I found some stuff for orange, but I can't get it because they don't have what I need. But I thought this was cute. This little sweatshirt here. You have to buy 3 pieces for 99 cents, but yeah, this is not just one of them half shirts. I like that. See what else? I found these 2 pair of pants. See this? Okay. So, too big. They're nice though. Y'all, they don't have anything. I think I'm gonna be out of luck. But they're too big too. I think these are like size 8s. Way too big. Any black collared shirts. Like, the stores don't believe it. Them black dressy collared shirts. So y'all might not, I don't think I'm getting anything, but let me show y'all these. Oh my God, I'm not gonna get them though. Aren't these nice? And they're size 7.5. These are 12 bucks. I don't have anything lime green, but I was just showing y'all the rubber band bottoms. And then they have these Reeboks for, let's see, $10. These are just like my other ones, but these are like sage green. Cute, right? I ain't getting them. Just wanted to show. Y'all, it's a bust for me. I don't think I'm getting anything because they don't have what I'm looking for. I needed 3. You got to buy 3 items with orange tags to get the dollar off, to get the dollar for it to be $1. So, no luck. But look at this. This is cute. This is Target brand. Which is like $4.60. I'm gonna put that back, putting these shoes back, and I'm gonna put this back. This is nice though. Really nice. And it is, did I show y'all? The original price is $4.20. But that's gonna do it for me, y'all. I didn't find what I was looking for, and I don't wanna just be up in here buying stuff I don't need. And me working at that place, what I've been wearing there, like my crop top, it's like a t-shirt. I can wear my black jeans there, but I know that's what they want. But me personally, I don't want to keep on, you know, doing that, and they don't want that. But yeah, all right, I'll see you on another vlog. All right, y'all, I'm back. I was about to say I'm black. I'm back. I'm kind of a little disappointed that I didn't find anything today because I actually need to get me black collared shirt. At least, if I can get 2. I want a silk looking one, and I want a real cotton one. I even went to the men's section in there, and they still didn't have it. And I need a pair of slacks. I have a pair of black jeans, those real fancy jeans. I can't remember the name of them. Something. Whatever black jeans y'all ever see me with, I have those same black jeans that I wear when I have to work at a certain job. And even though they don't say anything, you know how you can just tell by how people be looking. I get compliments on when I go to work, but I'm just saying, I just try to, if that's what they want, I'm trying to, you know, do what they want. So that's what that. And I was thinking too, I think in my last video, I had mentioned to you all that I had a 2018 Jeep. I had a 2008, because I was thinking like, wait a minute, son, you made a mistake, and I don't even think I put it in the video. But if I had a 2018, it probably would still be rolling today. But I wanted to clarify that because as I looked over my video, I said, I think you told them the wrong year, but yeah. But y'all, I'm going to end out this vlog for today. I'll probably pick y'all up on a whole nother day. It is 5:35. And I'm just gonna relax. And it's right now it's 75 degrees, so that's a big one for us right now. So y'all, I will see y'all on a whole nother video. All right, bye. Y'all, I just put $20 in my gas tank. I only got like 5 point something gallons. It's getting real. It's getting real. Let me know if we all are experiencing a drought. It's a drought. Okay? They're trying to take us out. They're trying to take us out. But I'm getting ready to head to the, okay, wait a minute now. I'm getting ready to head to the bank because I'm gonna show y'all something. Y'all gonna unwrap this gift with me while we head to this bank here, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all take a little peek inside my surprise. We're gonna be surprised together, okay? It's 80 degrees outside right now, so it feels really good. But I don't know. Let me know, what are y'all gas prices and how do y'all feel about it? But hey, this is real time, real talk. All right, y'all. So we are here at the bank. Somebody's in front of me, so I'm gonna let them go ahead and pull up. You know, like once it's their turn to be over, I'm gonna let them go because I like to make people feel secure. Because I don't like nobody like all the way. I don't like nobody behind me all crazy and stuff. So I'm gonna let them take care of their business. It looks like they're almost done, and then we're gonna go into the surprise, y'all. So yeah, bear with me, okay? Nope, we're still waiting. They need to come on because I got to use the restroom, y'all. I've been drinking on this today. This is ginger, spinach, coconut water, banana, and it's really good. Y'all see how rich that is? That's the coconut. It's real rich. Okay, let's roll, let's roll, let's roll. All right, y'all, hold on. And nobody's behind me, so I can actually, like, we can do this real quick. Okay, I ain't gonna let y'all see a lot, but we're gonna do this. So the other day I I worked as a I forgot, it's like a host or whatever, and I did a bar mitzvah. I did the ice cream parlor part. I did serving, like you go out with the steaks and all that kind of stuff or whatever. But anyway, everybody, after everything was over, we all got I'll just show y'all that, okay? We all got something to it says thank you for an amazing night. And you know, the bar mitzvah is like somebody's like birthday when they turn 13 or whatever. And yeah, so I said, let me see, everybody got something. So I'm like, I wonder how much did we get. So y'all, let's see now. Okay, I guess that ain't too bad. Is that too bad of a tip? I got $30. So I'm gonna take this $30, I'm putting it into my savings account. And I actually sold some stuff on OfferUp as well. A couple of days ago, the lady bought two vases. What else did she get? Y'all know I've been sold the dresser. I don't know if I told y'all. I've been sold my dresser. So that dresser is gone. She bought 2 vases and something else she bought. I can't put my finger on it. But anyway, I have to deposit that money as well. So I'm glad about that. But guys, $30, I'm okay with that. So I will meet y'all once I'm done with my my transaction. I will meet y'all at the park because we're gonna enjoy today. Okay, we are off right now and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the evening. Okay, so yeah, I'll pick you guys back up in a minute. All right. All right, y'all, we're here. I might change my parking space though because I don't know. I just feel a certain way. I might have to move into another space. But if I move somewhere else, I'm not sure. I don't see a lot of people. I'm parked near a bathroom. Y'all know I drink so much water. I have to. And I had that rest of that smoothie. I'm gonna there's some guys talking over there. I'm gonna do that. So I'll pick you up. Well, I'll pick you guys back up when we get to where we're going. All right. Oh, it's so fucking big. Shit. The hell? Y'all, this is beautiful. Look at this. Do y'all see this? I just came from there, and I came down here. You can see this. It's a street up there from where I was walking, but this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely breathtaking. Now y'all see why I be wanting to come on these little adventures. Even if you have to do it by yourself, you know, go ahead. Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. Okay? But anyway, I didn't get a chance to finish my lunch at work. I got some carrots and some green sauce, and I'm gonna finish up that, and then yeah, we might finish up this. We might end out this vlog. So this is what it looked like. It's cute. Got different colors. Got yellow and orange carrots. Kind of like a variety in the just the green sauce. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the view. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. I will see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna finish up my lunch, and it's like 7 o'clock. So I want to make sure I'm out of here because it's about to be getting dark pretty soon. So yeah, bye y'all. Oh, and I didn't plug in my miles. Well, maybe I will. We'll see once I'm done because I still got to walk to my vehicle. All right, y'all. Y'all, I thought the vlog was over. It actually was. What I'm about to share with y'all, somebody might be like really freaking out. This is the makeup remover. What I'm using. My mom gave me this. Oh gosh, y'all. I'm in here minding my business. Getting ready to, I was trying to sit down and eat my ice cream. Okay, I'm about to show y'all. And then I'm gonna show you what ended up happening in the meantime, okay? Lord have mercy. It ain't nothing nice. This smells really good. Thanks, Mom, for this. This smells good. I'm probably gonna use this in the morning because look, ain't really nothing on there. Face ain't that bad, right? So let me show y'all what happened to me, okay? Hold on. So just imagine you're sitting here, you're trying to enjoy some not so delicious vanilla, right? I'm so over it. I'm not even gonna lie. My stomach is so upset because as I was sitting here, the light was off. In my peripheral, I kept saying, what is that on the floor? And then I was here like twisting my hair up and everything. And I'm thinking, I wasn't over there for hair to be over there. You know how like you comb your hair and do your hair comes out or whatever. Let me show y'all what was over there. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Cause y'all see the vacuum stuff right there, right? I'm so over this. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all something. Hold on. Oh my God, where is it? Y'all, do y'all see this shit? Do y'all see this big ass spider? Look how big this spider is. Look. Look how big this spider is. Hold on, I'm gonna blow it. I'm gonna show y'all something. Hold on, let me turn it on. Okay. All right, Look at that fucker. Excuse my language. Do y'all see how big this damn spider is? Oh my God, it's crawling in there. Look. Look how big. Hell to the no. I'm about to go outside with this and dump it. I have to go all the way to the end of the driveway to the back. I'm gonna have to put some shoes on. This cannot be tolerated. So I will pick y'all up on a whole nother day. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.